Alright, so we have a 1000-watt inverter by Xpower by Xantrex. Never heard of it. Got this out of a scrap pile, was not working. Let me show you how I fixed it. Alright, so we're going to pull the 4 screws off the end here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much all you need to take off. The rest of it will come apart. Let me show you. Take this side off. If you take this side off, you can slide this down and this will just pop out. When I first did this, it was really tough to get out, and I started attacking these screws on the side. They're in here. You probably can't even see them, but these just hold on these heat sinks for here, and there's 2 over here for here and here for I think these are MOSFETs. Don't touch those. There's no reason to take those apart. So let me show you what I did inside here. Okay, so originally they had 4 of these 30 amp fuses, and they were located here and here, 1 here, and then down here and here and here and here. So there's 4 of them in there. They're actually soldered into the circuit board and completely not replaceable, which is kind of stupid. So what you can do is take the top completely off, and then there's 2 spades that stick up, and in between there I just took a little clippers and just went in and clipped them down, and then you basically end up with a spade that you can put one of these female terminals onto. So I was able to just push these down into here. I created a little bit of jumper wire here, and I put my fuses into here. So instead of trying to get a fuse holder and whatnot in here, I just used these guys into a regular automotive blade fuse. These are 10 amps. I don't have any 30 amps, and I actually not going to use this. I don't really have a use for it. I'm going to keep it around just because. But it runs as it is. I used it powering a angle grinder, which is 4.5 amps. Everything seemed to be working fine. I actually ran it off of this battery right here, which is just a 27 amp hour, 12 volt, 7 amp hour battery. And it works. Everything powers up, it's fine, and that was the easiest way to fix this. Okay, so here we got it powered on. Small battery hooked up to the terminals here. Power supply's on. Green light means good. Power out here, and we got 120 volts, 120.8. Let's try to say that. So yeah, that's what we got. It's working fine. I'm going to upgrade the fuses to 30 amps like they were originally, but like I said, I don't have really use for it right now, and I would have to buy those, so I'm just going to put this on my shelf, and if I ever need it, I'll just pop it open, put some new fuses in it, and run it. Otherwise, I might just run it as it is, because it does power a angle grinder just fine, and I think it'll be just great.